So you brand new to the internet marketing world and you want to make your first commission and you just don't know how to do that. You signed up for a program, you don't really have the right direction and you're needing some advice, or you need a program to really help you get from zero to your first commission online. Well, you're in the right place at the right time here in 2020. My name is Adam Shelton and welcome to the video today. And today we're going to talk about it. Even if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, I've got a program can help you make your first commission online. Right. I basically struggled when I first got online, and then once I got the right mentor, right, then we get the right coaching in the right program, I was able to make my first commission. My name is Adam Shelton and welcome to the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's a red button right below this video. Don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. Now you know what time it is. It's that time. Let's talk about it, me and you right now. Let's go ahead and make your first commission online. It doesn't matter if you're brand new, don't even know what basically marketing is, or if you don't even know how to even communicate out into the marketplace. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video is to help you because I know what it's like trying to make your first commission online, right? Make that first $100 or even make that first $1,000. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly the program that I'm in that I'm going to help you go ahead and get your first results. Now, results are not typical. They're not typical, but with enough hard work, working smarter, and following direction with this program, this definitely can help you make and go ahead and give you some success here in 2020. So, because I know you've been searching around YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, watching videos all day, signing up on programs, and none of them seems to work, but I got something for you for today to help you get success today. Not yesterday, not next week, today. Let me go ahead and show you exactly what I'm talking about. Now, this is it. Discover how to quickly and easily launch your own highly profitable online business today. Remember, not yesterday, not next week, but today. And basically, I have a video for you to watch. Hey, my name is Adam, and it's going to help you basically how you can discover how you can get your first commission online. Now, I'm going to play a little bit of the video just to kind of get you a little sneak preview. And don't forget, right below this video, I have a link to this program that you're seeing right now. There's a link right below this video. It's my #1 recommendation of making money online, starting your business online. There's a link. Click on that link and go ahead and add your email address to the link and watch this video and take action what the video tells you. So I'm going to play a little bit about the video. Here's at the top of it. And once again, it's called the Commission Accelerator. That's the name of the product, a Commission Accelerator, because we're going to accelerate your progress here in 2020. So I'm going to play just a little bit of the video so you can get like a little bit of a sneak preview. I'm going to go ahead and play it.
I'm Adam, and I want you to stop everything you're doing and pay close attention to this entire video, because in the next few minutes you'll discover the most valuable
So yes, the most valuable cash producing secrets the internet has to offer. So these are some secret here that I learned that I want to share with you today, for you can go ahead and accelerate your progress here in 2020. Now the video is about 15 to 20 minutes long. Watch the video, right? And once you're ready to take that action, there's a red button that you can go ahead and select. You see that red button? Get instant access now. Get instant access now. You go ahead and take action on the results from the video. And here's a little bit about, the buy better than money back guarantee. If you're not like it, you're not happy with it, we do have a great refund policy for you as well. Get instant access. Now, one thing I really want to show you, I'm going to show you here. One thing I want to go ahead and show you is right here, is that you want to get profitable online fast. that we all want to get profitable online fast. And the thing about it though, it does take time and it does take a type of patience to be able to do this. But this video here will help unlock some of the things you'll be struggling in. Unlock some of the things that you may be nervous about, but you're going to get the absolutely training. You're going to get the training to learn how to do this. And when you click the instant access, when you click on here, you'll go ahead and add your name and address and email address to the Commission Accelerator. And a very limited time that we offer this blueprint of how you can go ahead and have success online. So it's pretty much a limited time. We just released this product not long ago at all. Not long ago at all. And we want you to get the first opportunity for this wonderful, wonderful price and wonderful product to help you get results in 2020. Once again, discover how to quickly create your breakthrough online with a method where 95% of all the hard work is totally done for you. It is a done for you package here, all set up to build an income that gives you not only financial freedom, but also gets you time freedom. Work from anywhere. All you need is your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. That's all you need. In the training, go ahead. In the training, of course, and the blueprint and the guidance, but you can go ahead and have success. So the product, I'll be honest with you. I'm going to be honest with you. How much the product is $27. This product was priced at $297. We got it down to $27. This product was about $297. I have to went back and check what the value with this product was $297. At first I thought it was $97. No, it's actually $27 what we're going to charge it for. So the value of it, I thought it was $97. I thought it was $97. But when I went back over it, it was actually $297, not $97. The value of it is $297. You're going to get it for $27, the Commission Accelerator, to go ahead and accelerate your progress online, done for you packages, and also the training to get you from zero to your first commission. We're going to go ahead and show you how to do that. That's right. Yes, I know. You're like, finally, I've been searching for something to get me some type of progress that's going to accelerate my progress online this year. So this is what you're going to get. And the video is going to show you exactly what to do. It's not a long video. After the video or during the video, click on the instant access. If you're watching this video right now, click on the link right below this video. There's a link there. #1 recommendation of starting a business and growing your online income, because it's all about results, progress, and accelerating your progress in 2020. So go ahead, let me go ahead and bring back to the main screen. Back to the main screen, we're here right now. The Commission Accelerator is hot right now. Why? Because we just started 2020. We just launched this, and it's something that I think you can really, really enjoy because it's very simple and it's at a low cost of $27. What can you buy with $27? Well, you can probably get a nice dinner at a restaurant, but these days, depending on the restaurant, can you fill your gas tank up with $27? Well, depending on how much the gas prices are, right? Let's see if you can pay the light bill with $27. Well, last time I checked, it really depends where you live and depending on how much light and electricity you're using. For $27, you will get training to go ahead and start learning how to make money online, right? From somebody who's did it. So you see me in the product as well. If you have any information, you can always type it in the comment line, or you can email me as well at adam@adameshelton.com. But I want you to do right now, click on the link below this video to get started, so you can start having progress and start having success in 2020, because it's time. So like, comment, and subscribe to this video. But more importantly, click on the link below this video to get started for success in 2020. I'll see you on the next video. You know what time it is? It's time to accelerate your progress in 2020. I'll see you on the inside.